What's up, 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 what's up again, guys? Welcome back to the channel to another epic adventure. Yes, sir. Hope that everything is good with you guys and your families and your loved ones and that all is good, man. It's another beautiful day, bright, sunny day. Yes, and as we're about to do it again, guys, remember, subscribe to the channel, like up the video, share the video, leave a comment, and press the notification button that you won't miss a epic video. Okay, guys, so let's get into this. So today I'm going to be doing something special. Today I'm going to be making my lunch, and today is a special day. Today, what I'm going to be calling today's lunch is after Halloween special. Yes, you heard me. After Halloween special. You know, when after Halloween is over, you know, Halloween pumpkin, everybody take the Halloween pumpkin and throw it away. Extra candies get thrown in the trash. But as for me, guys, Halloween pumpkin will be getting cooked. This guy right here, oh, he ain't getting thrown out in the trash. He's gonna get cooked today. He's on the menu. You ain't going in the trash, you're going in my belly. Yes, sir. So he's right here. So we're gonna be doing Mr. Halloween pumpkin right here, and the specialty of today. Look at it, Grace Jack mackerel. Yes, sir. So it's gonna be mackerel and pumpkin, brown rice flour mixed with some cornmeal. Yes, sir. So that's what I'll be doing for lunch today, guys. So stay tuned. Tell your friends, call your family, call your loved ones, call your haters. Also, even your enemies, let them know that the epic journey is on, guys. We're going to be doing something special. This guy today is going to get cooked. He ain't going to get thrown in the trash. We're going to cook him today. So stay tuned, guys. And remember, guys, subscribe, like, share. Press that notification button, guys. Leave a comment, okay? Because you know, this is how we get the thing done. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. Alright? I already washed my tomato, my green sweet pepper, my red sweet pepper, my green and orange scotch bonnet pepper, my scallion, my thyme right here, onion, and my garlic. They say vampire don't like garlic. I hope there's no vampire out there gonna cook this epic meal right here today. If you're a vampire, don't touch the garlic. Okay? Those guys are already right there. So guys, I'm gonna add my water. There we go. Yes. Gonna mix it up right here. Yep. Mix it in real good, guys. Mix it in real good. Yep. Go. Some of you are probably saying, oh, he's gonna spoil it. He's gonna spoil it. Ain't gonna spoil. Watch me. If it's spoiled, I turn the pot off and I don't do any cooking today. Ain't gonna spoil. We just don't start mixing flour today. I've been mixing flour since I was 7 years old. I've been in this flour mixing business from a long time. So watch this. Ain't gonna get spoiled. And I see I was gonna get 3 dumplings out of it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You guys bet? Did you guys bet? You guys ready to lose your money? Leave a comment. Leave a comment if you guys bet that it was gonna spoil. Okay? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. Wow, look at that. For those of you guys out there mixing flour and have to be adding flour, adding flour and cornmeal, you guys don't know how to make dumplings. You guys are make dumplings wannabe. This is a professional right here. Look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Epic. Look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. Nice. Yep. So, one dumpling, two dumpling, three dumpling, four dumpling, five dumpling. So this is my lunch right here, guys. 5 dumpling. Look at that. One mix and it came out perfect. Try it at home and see, guys. Alright? Now I'm gonna add these guys to the pot. I'm gonna roll them. Yep. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Here we go. 5 dumplings right there. And I'm going to put them in the pot right now. Yes, sir. Here we go. 1. Putting 5 dumplings in the pot. Because this is lunch. There we go. Yes, sir. So yes, guys, 5 dumplings in the pot. Clean my counter up, clean my workstation. Get it ready for this guy. This guy gonna get cut up. So I'm gonna clean my workstation, get ready for that guy to meet his maker. Yes, sir. Are you ready, Mr. Pumpkin? Are you ready to meet your maker? I'm ready to send you to your maker, and that's what I'm gonna do. Come back, guys. So yes, back at it again. So yes, getting the pumpkin ready. You know, I'm gonna take out the part that was laying on the soil in the ground. Yep. Get them ready to go in the pot. I'm gonna leave the skin on, and when they cook, I just take it off the skin. So, put these guys in the pot right now. Pumpkin, dumpling is bubbling. Yup. There we go. Right there. Yup. They are in the pot. Yes. So these, finish with this guy, finish with this guy. Put them up in the cupboard. Yep. You don't need these guys no more. Mr. Pumpkin. So guys, so this guy right here, this is a organic pumpkin, as they call it. This is 100% organic. This I grow this guy in my own garden. 100% organic. No fertilizer, nothing like that. 100% organic. So this guy, wow, I know you have a sad face, but you ain't going to throw it in the trash. You're going down in my belly. So stay tuned, guys, as this guy is going on his epic journey to meet his maker. Okay? Stay tuned. So yes, guys, so everything is in the pot, it's bubbling up. Pumpkin and dumplings in the pot, bubbling. Clean up my workstation. This guy, put these guys over here. Yep. So yes, these guys gonna deal with next. My seasoning for my mackerel. So stay tuned, guys. Watch the progress of this epic Halloween pumpkin and Grace jack mackerel in rich tomato sauce. Okay guys, so stay tuned. We're still on an epic journey. Okay? Yes sir. Yep, that's it right there. Yep. These guys going in the fridge. In the fridge. These guys, fridge. This guy next, but he's not ready. So, I'm gonna just put my stuff. No, I'm just gonna just put it. I'm just gonna get the pot ready. You know, it's gonna work today. Get my pot ready. Yep. Get my pot ready. I'm gonna use my olive oil. As I say, any oil you have, use the oil that you got. Okay? I'm using olive oil. I like olive oil. For some reason, I just love the taste. Not to say I don't use any other side. I got all the oils you can think of. I got regular oil underneath here same way. So I use any one of them, but I like this guy. Okay? So my oil is in this thing. I'm gonna use a little bit more because I need to fry those guys properly. Yep. Yep. Put down my oil. Let me check and see what this guy is going on with. Oh yeah. That's it. Getting ready. Getting ready. Okay. So let this guy heat up. Guy get ready. Alright. Yep. So stay tuned guys. Stay tuned. The plane almost land guys. Almost land. Okay. Stay tuned. Call your friends. Call your loved ones. Call everybody. It's not too late. Alright? Stay tuned. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back guys to the channel. Yes sir. So I'm gonna show you in the pot, man, because I'm about to turn this guy off. Look at it. This guy is bubbling and I think I can turn him off right. You know what? Let me turn it. Spare a little light right here. See if we can see. Pumpkin is cooked, dumpling is cooked, you know, bubbling like a roaring thunder. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this guy off. Because this guy is ready. This guy is getting hot right here. The oil is getting hot for me to throw my seasoning in and get this mackerel sorted out. Okay guys, so stay tuned, follow the progress. Okay, all right, let me put back this guy right here. Yes sir. Yep. So my oil is up. I'm gonna put in my seasoning. Okay, here we go. Everything going in the pot. Everything going in the pot. Everything going in the pot. Put this guy over here. Yep. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. So I'm just gonna saute them a little, you know, saute them, let they get soft before I add the mackerel to it, you know, make all this seasoning all, you know, get softened a little in this pot right here. Yep. Yes sir. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Epic. Wonderful. This thing gonna be legendary right here. This is gonna be an epic legendary lunch, I'm telling you. Yes guys, it's gonna be legendary. Yes sir. Look at that. Saute them a little. Yep. Yep. And then I'm just gonna just cover it up a little. And I'm gonna let them saute. Yes, I don't want, yeah, I'm just gonna let the steam just cook them and get them soft. Yes, so yes guys, we are almost there. Yes guys, so just stay tuned, watch the progress, see what's going on. Mr. Pumpkin is ready. Mr. Bob's dumpling is ready. Mr. Jack Mackerel, almost his turn to go in the pot. So just stay tuned guys and watch the progress and see what's going on, because this lunch is gonna be epic. Okay? Welcome back guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So the pumpkin and the dumpling is cooked. The seasoning is almost finished saute. I'm just gonna show you real quick as what I'm talking about. So these guys are ready. And these guys are already sauteed, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Epic. Look at that. Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at that. So now I'm gonna just add my Grace mackerel to this guy right there and let they sit for a minute, and then lunch will be ready. Yes sir. So that's it right there guys. Yup. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Pumpkin and dumpling with mackerel. All right. So yes guys, that's how we do it. Okay. So I'm just gonna put back this guy right here. Keep my camera in focus. Yeah. Yep. Yes, sir. So it's this guy turn. I'm gonna open this guy right here. Grace Jack mackerel. Yep. So I'm gonna pop. I already washed my can. You know, whenever you pick up canned products from the supermarket or wherever, guys, make sure you wash them, man, because they gather dust and all type of stuff. Okay. All right. Yes, sir. Yeah, my ring pop off, so I had to come up with a different way of opening it up, guys. Grace, do better, man. Do better, Grace. Cheap ring, man. He just broke off like nothing like that, man. Unbelievable. So yeah, I'm gonna pour my mackerel in my saute seasoning. Let me make you guys see right here what I'm talking about, man. Look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Now, this is a lunch. Unbelievable. Look at that, guys. Look at that Grace Jack mackerel right there. Yeah, I'm gonna just put a little bit of what they call it, garlic, pepper, Himalayan salt. Yes. So garlic, black pepper. I'm gonna just crunch some of this in it like this. Yep. 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 like to put black pepper on my mackerel, you know, tastes nice. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Epic. Look at that, guys. Unbelievable. Yep. Beautiful. Guys, you should try it, man. Grace jack mackerel and cornmeal dumpling. Whatever flour you use, whatever cornmeal. You know, not because I use Bobby Vans, you're going to use Bobby Vans. Any flour you want to use, any cornmeal you want to use, go ahead and do it. And it also, it don't have to be Grace mackerel. You can use any mackerel you want, okay? Yes, it's just that I'm using what I used to. Grace jack mackerel, that's what I grew up on in Jamaica. Beautiful. Look at that. Unbelievable. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Unbelievable. Now I'm just gonna let him sit for a second. Cover him up. Cover him up like that. Yeah. This guy is ready. I'm gonna start share out these guys right now. Yeah. Open my pot. Yeah. Get my container right here. Yeah. I'm gonna get my fork. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at the cornmeal grains in the look at that. Look at that. You can see that? Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Love it. Love it. Look at that. I think I'll leave the pumpkin in there too long. Yep. Halloween pumpkin. Oh, you're going down in. You're going down. You're going down in my belly. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. That's lunch right there. Beautiful. Look at that. Unbelievable. Tell Mr. Halloween, say, I'm gonna eat this pumpkin. Look at that. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Epic. Unbelievable. Yes, sir. That's how we do it. Yup. Yup. That's how we do it. I'm a dumpling. Yep. And this is my lunch right here. Beautiful. Look at that. Love it. Cover up my pot. Yep. I'm gonna turn off this guy right now because this guy is ready. Look at that, guys. Epic. I wish you could smell it. Beautiful. Look at that. Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all the tomatoes and the peppers and the garlic. Look at that. Beautiful. So yes, guys, this guy is done. I'm gonna turn off my fire, let it sit, and it's time to eat. Yes, sir. And guys, I'm gonna dig right in. I'm gonna dig right in. Watch me, guys. Look at this. Amen. Unbelievable. You can only tell it. Halloween pumpkin. Down in my belly. Beautiful. Non-joke, guys. Try it. Beautiful. Tabasco sauce make it epic. Avocado slash pear, epic. Beautiful. Guys, remember, subscribe to the channel, share the video, like the video, leave a comment, press that notification button, tell your friends, tell your family, tell your jokers out there, tell everybody, even those who don't like you, your haters, backstabbers, everybody. Tell them about this channel. Tell them that this channel is epic. It's the right channel for them, where they can sit, relax, enjoy themselves, and be energized by epic content. So guess what? Guess what, guys? I'm gonna see if I can enjoy my lunch, right? So I'll see you around, and remember, as long as you're in the land of the living, there is hope, man. Show love, show peace. Until I see you again on this epic journey, guys. Word be out.